Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and cute crafts. So first here we are making a penguin scenery by tearing the paper and making the background and this cute little penguins as you can see. Now we will make more of these penguins and you can see our scenery is ready. Next here we are making a flying rocket. As you can see we are starting with the rocket. After that we are cutting it out and coloring it. Then we are taking a black sheet and then just inserting a thread in between there. After that we are pasting the rocket above it as you can see with the tape, and your flying rocket is ready. Next we are taking this pattern paper with some cutouts in between, and then we are just making these squids as you can see by using white paint or any marker. Let's move ahead. Here we are making some fishes using this bubble sheet by making this in red color. You can use any color you want in this drawing. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking a bubble sheet in this shape. Then we are coloring it and completing our pineapple by using a crayon with green color, and we are giving eyes and mouth to our pineapple so that you can see it looks more good. Now we are making legs and hands of this pineapple and you can see it is ready. Let's move ahead to our next craft. Here we are taking black marker. You can take any sketch pen. After that we are making this type of flower and then we are making the stems. After that, with using our fingers we are just spotting out in different colors to complete this beautiful and colorful flower. After that we are making some small flowers also. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking an orange sheet in a square shape, then folding it out one from the front and from the back and then pasting it into half. Just make more of them like this, and then take a circular sheet, give eyes and mouth and some detailings to it to make it look like a tiger, and then we are just pasting it with this and you can see our cute tiger is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a wooden box and then we are just coloring it and pasting eyes, and then we are making tail of our fish with blue color. After that we are taking this paper, folding it out, making some more detailings for it as you can see. After that pasting all the materials we've made with this box and then you can see it is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken two circular sheets, one big, one small, and then we are just rolling it out, pasting it as you can see, and then our beautiful butterfly is ready. You can make it in different colors. It looks so good and it's ready. Thanks.